welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be baking a cake for my birthday. So we need Betty Crocker French vanilla cake mix, and we need 125 milliliters of vegetable oil here, and then we need 250 milliliters of water here, then 3 medium eggs which I may put all of them in here. But so you have to preheat this your oven for 180 centigrades. See? Okay, now you grease the pan with butter or oil. So I have this here. You need baking paper too. Put butter all over the pan, and then put the side papers all around, and then put butter all over the pan inside. So let's start. So we need to mix oil, water and eggs in a large bowl. Beat it lightly for 30 seconds. So let us start. So we should pour this all in, and wait. Okay, that's good. And then we need to put water. Then we need to put all the eggs. See? Cool, right? Now let us start to mix it. We have to mix it, not mix it. Mix it, I mean. We need to whisk it properly so that all of these ingredients mix. See, it's nearly done. It's been like a couple seconds, so it's nearly done. Let me just whisk it for a few more seconds, and I'll show you guys again. So guys, now let's add the Betty Crocker vanilla French vanilla cake mix in. This smells good already. So guys, so I'm going to mix this much. But there is still half more. It might overfill, so I'm just mixing this much. So guys, this is a kind of a small bowl. So we're going to be pouring some of the batter in another big bowl, and then we'll put the rest of the mixture. So let's get to it. So guys, I put some of it in the big bowl. So I'm going to just put a bit more in here so that I can start to mix it. So I'm just going to do slowly by slowly so that it will be easy for me to mix. So I'll just mix it. So guys, this is the last bit of it. So I'm just going to mix it, because the rest I put it in the bigger bowl, and I'll mix that after I finish mixing this. So I'm going to be waiting for like 1 or 2 minutes for the air bubbles to go, and then we will come back. So guys, I finished putting baking paper and butter. So now let's start to pour. Let me put this in here, because anyway it has batter, so I'll just put that there. So I will lift this. So guys, so I've run this all over. So now I'm just going to do this so that all the air bubbles go once we have been pouring, and then I'm just going to make sure that all the places are filled so that it does not come in a funny shape. This gives a cool effect, guys. Make sure you try this, it's so cool. Make sure you don't do too hard that the baking paper tears. It is secure. So preheat it. Now put the timer for 30 minutes. So that's all. So look at the cake. Now we have to wait. And then we're going to make another batch because we're going to be layering it. So guys, the cake is ready. Let's get it out of the oven and I'll show you guys later. Now, so guys, look at the delicious vanilla cake. Yum yum. So let us start. So I'm just going to put the secure so that I check it's ready because there's no cake on it. So let's just get it out of the cover. So now I'm going to lift it up. So guys, it's done. Now let me just peel all of this off. So guys, today is my birthday. Yesterday we made 2 cakes. So I'm just whipping up the whipping cream and then I'm going to put some blueberry mash. So I'm just whipping it up. See? That one got a bit of smashed because it was sticking on the plate, so that's why it got smashed. So that one I think we'll put it at the bottom. We'll put this one at the bottom and that one on the top. So guys, now we're going to put some frosting on the cake. Now we are going to put some blueberry mashes on. We are going to put the second one. So guys, look, I'm covering up the sides. It looks delicious already because of the purple. It looks kind of purple, so that's why. So guys, now I'm just going to put the rest of the jelly on top. Drip down slowly. So guys, that's it for my birthday cake video. So hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe, like and share to your friends. Bye.